Good morning, good morning, good morning, Saturday. Happy blessed Saturday, guys. Look at the weather. It's nice weather, huh? Blue sky, blue sky. Good morning, good morning. Look at that. The trees is still brown. Soon can be greenish, but maybe next month. Maybe next month. Yes, guys. Look at this. It's a nice weather for today, but after, I think after lunch it's gonna be rain. I don't know why like this the weather. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, 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 hi. How are you, everyone? Guys, ito na yung ano, mga kahoy na naputol. Nilagay dyan. See? Instead na grass, nilagay na dyan ng nagiling na kahoy. Diba? Oh, hindi na sayang yung mga pinuputol nila sa mga street. Diba, guys? Hindi na sasayang. Sa part, nilalagyan din sa mga laruan ng mga bata. Ganon. Ganun pa. Look at that, the skies. Blue sky, blue sky, blue sky. Blue sky, blue sky. Aba, naka-t-shirt ko. Naka-t-shirt yun, no? Naka-t-shirt siya, Only. Oh. Diba, guys? Oh, grass is there, growing. Growing. Ayan, nasipol na rin, oh. May dahon na, oh. Look at this. Wow. Growing. Growing. Look at the blue sky. Blue sky. Silipin natin yung torre. Malaking ano. Yan. Malaki po yan. View po ng ano yan. Na-view niya lahat doon sa baba. Magandang view yan sa taas. Then look out the views down. Red light siguro guys, kaya walang sakyan. Walang sakyan dumaan. Walang sakyan dumaan. Kalbo pa talaga ang kahoy. So sad, ha? Ang ganda ng blue sky. Wow. Green, 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 green. Hello, green. You growing? Ano yan? Sibuyas? Parang sibuyas, ano? Ha? Parang sibuyas. Oh, growing. Look at that. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Ang daon niya is cute. Ang liliit. Growing, growing. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Have a blessed Saturday. Mama chup chup. Bye for now. Bye bye.